No need of signals, no need of road widening, no cutting of trees, no need of huge flyovers, no need of underpasses. Let's have a walkthrough of one of the sample design for a four-way junction. Worldwide, traffic congestion has become a huge problem for city administration, and every possible usage of solutions are tried in order to reduce traffic congestion. This design proceeds to provide an effective and easy implementing solutions for daily traffic congestions, which will reduce the congestion up to 100%. For a four-way junction, as mentioned, signals are removed completely. Yes, this is a new design which eliminates signals at junctions completely. Instead of signals, we will use the following system. We need two elevated U-turns for main road, two barricade setups, a single divider right at the center of the junction, speed breakers at strategic locations. This design does not require road widening. No breaking of roadside buildings for road widening. Vehicles can be controlled easily with the current width of roads. No cutting of trees required at most locations. The same design can also be used for all cities, towns, villages, and upcoming smart cities, etc. For a four-way junction, we have two crossroads. One is main road and other is a sub road. As there is no signal required at junction and vehicles will always be moving towards the destination without being interrupted, due to no logging of vehicles at signals, it saves a lot of time, fuel, and money due to bottleneck congestion at signals. We have to build two elevated U-turns as seen in the video on either side of the main road. There will be divider right at the center of the junction. When we are approaching from the sub road, the vehicle will have only one option, that is to take left. There is no straight path or right turn. Barricades will be used for this. In order to go straight, vehicle has to take left first and then use elevated U-turn, reach to adjacent road and then take left again. In order to take right from sub road, first take left and then use elevated U-turn and then go straight as seen in the video. From main road, a free left and straight path can be taken. But for right turn, again vehicle has to take elevated U-turn and then take left. Speed breakers have to be used at strategic locations for easy controlling during movement of vehicles. There is no need of huge flyovers running from one end to the other end of the junctions. There is no need of any underpasses. Due to this, there are no problems created for underlying telephone and optic cables. Also, no rainwater logging during rainy seasons. Since this design does not need flyovers, the roadside business on state highways and national highways along the villages will have fast growth economically. Since traffic is reduced considerably, cities and even small towns will perform economically well. These designs do not need huge budgets for implementation. Also, the space and time required for constructions of elevated U-turns is very fast, economical and effective, resulting in faster completion of the projects. All cities and towns can be planned for traffic effectively and systematically. Upcoming smart cities can be planned using this design for optimal traffic management. All bus stops will be a little away from the junction and after elevated U-turns to avoid bottlenecks. Traffic police job will be utmost important in order to avoid roadside parking of vehicles. Traffic police should ensure no vehicle stop unnecessarily during continuous flow of vehicles. The footpath and roads are designed in a porous concrete concept which helps for rainwater harvesting of the city. The porous nature of concrete will absorb water and leads to increase in the groundwater table levels and help in reduction of flooding water during rainy seasons. For pedestrians to cross the road, a multi-way footover bridge must be provided at the junction. Once a person climbs footover bridge, he must have option to go to four corners of the junction so that he can cross the roads easily because vehicles will not stop at the junctions in this design. This footover bridge is covered with solar panels for lighting and cameras.
Yeah, you're right.
Overall, if we follow these rules of the design, there will be permanent solution for traffic problems which can be easily and systematically monitored and city will grow economically stronger. Crystal Group think tank has design solutions for all kinds of junctions for all cities and towns. We help build designs for all types of traffic problems. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.